Righto, back out at a quarry, doing some hoses. Just a couple that had rubbed through. You can see two in there that we changed. Just one had rubbed through in here, the other one had rubbed through. It goes through into the, goes to a pressure gauge, that one. All good. But anyway, a little bit of preventative maintenance can go a long way. So, got a substantial hose there, but you'll see why, what the cause of that was. Here's the hose here. That's from the pump out to the main drive. Now look at the platform. It rubbed through under here, and yeah, it was through probably 3 of the layers of the 4Y hose, so it was pretty close to blowing its arse out. So a couple of bolts probably would have saved it.